Welcome back, traders. In this video, we're just going to be breaking down the ICT new week opening gap. All right, this is one of the key concepts from ICT and smart money trading. And once you understand it, it can completely change the way you look at the market every single week. So let us start with the basics. The new week opening gap is a difference between where the market closed at the end of last week and where it opens at the beginning of the new week. Okay? So let us use this as an example because you might not see that, happen all the time. Okay? So you can see here, this was where it closed, right? This is the weekly time frame. So each candle here represents a 1 week. This was where the next candle opened, right? We are using these two candles. We are using these two candles now for this example. Okay, so it's the new week opening gap is the difference between where the market closed at the end of last week. Okay, so these are the two candles we're using. Let me get that right. Yeah, these two. Okay, difference of where the last candle closed and the next candle open. So that small gap might look insignificant at first glance, but in reality, it tells us a lot about where liquidity is resting. Why does this matter? Institutions and large players don't always fill all their orders before the market closes on Friday. So when the new week begins, gaps are often left behind. These gaps are like magnets because price tends to revisit them, rebalance around them, or use them as a key reference point throughout the week. Now, how do we identify this? Step one, you have to mark the closing price of the previous week. Step two, you mark the opening price of the new week. Now, the area between these two levels is the new week opening gap. This zone becomes an important area to watch because very often price will gravitate back to it during the week. Okay? But it doesn't stop there. The power of the ICT new week opening gap comes when you combine it with market structure. So let's say the higher time frame is bullish. If the new week opening gap is below current price, there is a strong chance that the market may pull back into that gap before continuing higher. On the flip side, if the market is bearish, right? This was closing price. This was opening price. So if the market is bearish and the gap is above price, it may retrace upward into that zone before resuming lower. So this is where patience and observation come in. Don't just expect an instant reaction. Sometimes the market takes time to move into the gap. Other times it reacts right away. The key is knowing that this gap often acts as a reference point that institutional traders are aware of and use in their decision making. Here is another tip. The ICT new week opening gap works best when combined with other concepts like liquidity pools, order blocks, and fair value gaps. When multiple confluences align, with the gap, the reaction tends to be stronger and more reliable. Okay. So to recap, the new week opening gap is the difference between last week's close and this week's open. And as you can see, it acts as a magnet for price. You can see as I went down to a lower time frame like the 1 hour, can you see how price is reacting within those zones that we marked on the weekly time frame? You can see that this was the gap that we marked on the weekly time frame. You can see how, look at how price is reacting inside here. You can see how price is reacting inside, right? Okay, this was where I marked the 2 weeks, right? So you can see how our price is reacting within that zone. Okay, so it's important to pay attention to that concept. You can see, look at how price is reacting to this zone. Look how this zone is already serving as as a support and resistance zone. You can see here this line served as a support. Here this one served as a resistance. Here this one served as a resistance. Here it served as a support. Okay, all right, so it's important that you combine it with structure, combine this concept with structure and other ICT concepts. Okay, because when you do that, when you combine this ICT new week opening gap concept with market structure and other ICT concepts, it gives stronger setups. All right, so you want to look for as many confluences as you can get, before executing a trade based on this concept, based on this strategy. You want to get confluences from market structure, get confluences from candlestick patterns and chart patterns, right? And if you are the type that likes to use indicators, you can also decide to maybe use a couple of indicators or just one, for the purpose of confirmation, right? Now, by using this concept consistently, you can get a clearer picture of how the market is likely to move during the week. Okay? If you found this explanation of the ICT new week opening gap useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more deep dives into smart money concepts. Right? In the meantime, thank you for watching. Stay sharp, stay disciplined, stay profitable, okay, and stay safe. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy trading. Bye for now.